You got some nails? What are you doing in here?
Lay her down under Buffy and do it.
They tease you all the time. They tease you.
What did she just do?
Oh,
She let one rip.
Oh.
Get her pregnant.
Better.